Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you a natural way to get rid of cockroaches in just 1 minute. It is 100% guaranteed. How to make a natural cockroach killer. Mix sugar and baking soda in a bowl. You could also add to a jar, put the lid on and shake. That's why you have it for easy storage. Just pour homemade cockroach killer directly on the floor where you have seen the cockroaches, or pour some into shallow pan and place on the floor, and you can get the good results. This is very effective cockroach homemade killer. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon button for latest updates.